Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to change your deductible on your Geico auto insurance policy through the Geico mobile app in 2025. Alright, so it's gonna be a quick one. We're not gonna waste too much time on this topic. Just gonna give you guys a very brief step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first step is going to be to open the Geico mobile app. So go ahead and open the Geico mobile app on your smartphone or tablet. If you don't have it already, you can just download that from the store. But once you have it, go ahead and open the app, and then you're going to log into your account. So log into your account using your username and your password. And once you're logged into your account, you're just going to click on policy details, and then you can select the policy that you want to update from the list of available policies. And once that's done, you're going to click on coverage options next, and just select the coverage type that you want to update. So go through that, make sure that you select the specific coverage type that you want to update. And once you have done that, just select the new deductible amounts from the available options. And once you've selected that, you're going to review and confirm the changes to your policy, just to make sure that the changes went through and everything has been updated successfully. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to change your deductible on your Geico auto insurance policy through the Geico mobile app. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.